Equality 3. In a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 5116, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, clearly warned that nobility does not lie in one's lineage, as all people are the descendants of the Holy Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, and he was made from dust. He concluded that people should give up boasting about their relatives and lineage. It is important to understand that even though some ignorant Muslims have adopted the attitude of other nations by creating castes and sects, thereby believing some people are superior to others based on these groups, Islam declared a simple criterion for superiority, namely, piety. Meaning, the more a Muslim fulfills the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrains from his prohibitions and faces destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, the greater they are in rank in the sight of Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 13.
Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you.
This verse destroys all other standards which have been created by ignorant people, such as one's race, ethnicity, wealth, gender or social status. In addition, if a Muslim is proud of a pious person in their lineage, they should correctly demonstrate this belief by praising Allah, the Exalted, and following in their footsteps. Boasting about others without following in their footsteps will not help someone in either this world or the next. This has been made clear in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2945. Finally, the one who is proud of others but fails to follow in their footsteps is indirectly dishonoring them, as the outside world will observe their bad character and assume their righteous ancestor behaved in the same manner. These people should therefore strive harder in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, because of this reason. These are like those people who adopt the outward traditions and advice of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, such as growing a beard or wearing a scarf, yet fail to adopt his inner noble character. The outside world will only think negatively about the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, when they observe the bad character of these Muslims. Finally, remembering the origins of mankind will prevent one from adopting pride, an atom's worth of which is enough to take one to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. Pride only encourages one to look down on others, even though everything good they possess was created and granted by Allah, the Exalted. Pride will also encourage one to reject the truth, when it does not originate from them. Therefore pride in anything such as one's pious ancestor must be avoided at all costs.